Hi, I'm George, the Weather Dad. Hi, everyone. Hey, welcome to spring. Now, I know it's March 1st, but spring, meteorologically speaking, has started. When you look at the three coldest months that should be winter, well, that's December, January, and February. And since now we're into March, meteorologically speaking, we're into spring. But astronomically speaking, the first day of spring is March 19th. This year. Now, as we work our way on into your upcoming weekend, it's not going to be that bad. It's going to be a little chilly to start off here in most of the country. Down in Florida, you're going to be pretty nice, very cold out west. Now, this is on your Saturday. By Sunday, a nice warm up. Take a look. Temperatures well above normal across the eastern two-thirds of the country. We're looking at temperatures potentially around 70 degrees right here in the Ohio Valley. Normal highs in the upper 40s, near 50 right now. We're going to see those normal highs really increase as we head on into the latter part of the month of March. By Wednesday, though, things get a little bit more interesting. You're seeing some blues now in the high plains, greens and yellows working their way back into the Midwest. There's a frontal system here. Weather is going to be rather unsettled by about Tuesday and on into the latter part of the upcoming week. Still very nice along the Gulf Coast. By next Saturday, we have another system coming in, keeping temperatures somewhat on the chillier side, about normal or slightly below normal throughout most of the eastern half of the country, with the exception of the southeast and down in Florida. As far as precipitation is concerned, well, there's some showers right today here, March 1st, Friday, in the Ohio Valley, but that system is going to push its way off towards the east. We could be looking at some very heavy rainfall there in the Mid-Atlantic region, up into the New England states, and even some showers down in the state of Florida along the Gulf Coast. Another bit of energy working its way into the West Coast, producing some very heavy rains and snows there in California and along the West Coast. That energy now starts working its way out. This is on Sunday, dries out nicely here across most of the Midwest and the Central Plains, which means it's going to be a beautiful Sunday to do a lot of outdoor activities. You might want to start working on your gardens. It's March 1st, never too early to get that ground tilled up, ready for those plants. Here's that next system up in the high plains that's going to be producing some fairly unsettled weather as we head on into your upcoming week. Here on Tuesday, potentially severe weather. Tennessee Valley points south. There could be a couple rumbles of thunder here in the Midwest. This is on our Tuesday. Probably late Monday night, Tuesday is when we're going to start seeing some showers here in the Midwest itself. Now, this is on Tuesday. By Wednesday, that system pushes its way off towards the east a little bit, some showers behind it, maybe even a few flakes of snow as temperatures will be cooling off right here in the Midwest, and some heavier thunderstorms along the Mid-Atlantic coast. And then next weekend, that system gets hung up along the Gulf Coast there, and there could be some flooding rains along the southern portions of Alabama, Mississippi, Georgia, and into the Carolinas, potentially even some severe weather there. It's still going to be somewhat unsettled for next weekend here in the Midwest with another shot of some cooler air. So the bottom line is, enjoy the upcoming weekend. It's going to be great for most of us right here in the central United States. I'm George, the Weather Dad.